picture from Penarth, which is where I live. So this is Penarth seafront. It was actually taken in March, on March the 1st, St. David's Day. And it was the arrival of the beast from the east, if people remember that storm Emma, it was called. And so I just nipped down the road really with a camera and saw this lady and took this picture. Now, what's interesting about this is, as a photographer, all photographers do it, whether you're a renowned photographer, regarded as the best photographer in the world, or whether you're taking a photograph of your cup of coffee first thing in the morning, we all do exactly the same thing, and that one thing is that we put a frame around what we're viewing. And when you put a frame around something, you have to make a decision as to what you want to include within that frame, and just as importantly, what you exclude in the frame. So the picture here shows a lady standing alone facing storm Emma, whereas in actual fact, she wasn't alone. Her partner or husband is just getting into a car, just on this side, and she had 3 children with her who were just kind of playing in this area here. But you know, a photographer decides what he wants to include in an image and what he wants to exclude. And so I chose to exclude those elements. And this is the picture that we got.